Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a couple of little journal kits that I've put together. They're both more or less the same. They have got a journal, a little ephemera pack, they've got tags, some collage strips that I've made, and some little circles. I made loads of them yesterday, the day before, I can't remember. So I've got two. The images on the journals are different, but the insides are the same. So I will show you quickly what they are, what you get. Right, I haven't written down anything, I don't think. So these are 8, they're blank journals by 4.5. Got one signature inside them with various different papers. All being coffee dyed. There's digital and there's coffee dyed papers as well. Little flip outs here and there everywhere. There as well. And there we've got fabric down the spine. And these images here, you can find them as freebies on my coffee shop. You can find a link to that below. So this is just basically a blank journal. On the listing you'll find like how many pages. I think it's like 30 something pages. Be a great starter pack. So you get 4 of the circle embellishments. You could add them to tags or whatever, or pockets, do whatever you like obviously with them. You could even turn them into paper clips if you wanted to, you know, to do something else with them. So you get them too. And of them too. Well, she'll set them there. Then the collage strips. Oh, you know what I haven't done? I meant to put the some bling on the butterflies, so I shall do that. So you get 4 of them. So that's the ones you get with that pack. And then you get some tags that I've made as well. Some embossed paper there, embossed paper there, and that. Then you get this ephemera pack, which is it's this, so you can use all of this within the journal. Sorry about that, there's a noisy motorbike going by. You can use all this within the journal to make things. I didn't mean for all that to fall out like that. We've got this, and that goes in there. Then we've got this. How I've done that is like so. Then we have that, and these two. The ephemera packs are exactly the same with both. Noisy bikes. And that goes in there. And then the large French check goes in there. Well, that's just how I've done it. Then this little belly band, probably won't be able to get that back on like on screen. Hang on, watch me. I shall do this. I'll do it in a minute instead of wasting time. Alright, so that's that one. And then this one here, you will get that embellishment, circle embellishment on that one. Really enjoy making them actually. They were inspired by Junk Journal Addict on YouTube, and I made these like when I saw Tim Holtz collage strips like a few months ago now. I think it was about 2 months ago. I was inspired to make some of my own. Excuse my inky finger. I don't know why my little finger always gets inky. It always does. Must be the way I hold this sponge. I think it's because I hold it and that finger always goes on there. Anyway, yeah, I was inspired to make my own because obviously each time you make them, they shall be different. Another one of those. And like I said, I'm going to put some bling on the butterflies. Then we have her. These are freebies on my coffee shop. So is that. So is this. Not the whole tag, just the image there. And then the journal. She's got that. She's got that. That's what's on that one. And they're exactly the same. It is exactly the same as the other one. And you know, it's flat as a pancake now, but see, once you start you know, embellishing, I mean, this was one I made yesterday. Once you know, you start filling it with things. Now I've just created a big knot. You know, it gets chunky once you start embellishing. This one is also for sale in my shop. I will put the link to this below as well, and you get that obviously with that one as well. So that's what you get, okay? And there's 2 available, and they will be listed in my shop if you're interested. All the links you will find below in the description box, and if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.